going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, guys, I created this retro vibe I'm giving, and if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright, so we about to get right into it. As y'all can see, I already got my eyes down because we jumping right into this look. We're going to be jumping into the Carnival palette. You already know. We're going to be starting off with mood because I'm in like a really good mood today, you know. And we're just going to take this and we just going to pack this real good in the crease. But yeah, my boos, what has been going on? I've been doing pretty good, staying out the way, keeping my mind right, focusing on me. This year is about me and what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? I really been like going to sleep to Pretty Woman every night. I don't know why, but that's just been my thing. Now, since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into Soft Spot. I don't want it smoked out too much, you know? But yes, boo, I've been like really chilling. I've been reading a lot. My grandmama always told me the power of success is reading. Yeah, I just been reading some books. Make sure we blend in between real good. So now we're just going to take a bigger brush and we're just going to blend that out using nothing. All right, now we're going to just darken that up with this smoke show. I'm using the mirror, so I might as well just tap into that black. And this brush is a E42 Sigma brush. And I'm just taking that and just zorkening it off because we are doing some cut creasing today, boo. So we want to darken this real good because we want that cut crease to be on a busy. And now we're going to jump right back into that mood and we're just going to blend. So I'm going to be cutting my crease with the Mima Mitchell Blink Canvas, y'all already know. And I'm going to take some micellar water real quick and clean up this crease. And we're going to cut this crease. Oh! Alright, so now since we have that cut crease down, we're going to take a clean brush and just blend this out. Okay, so now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into King. So now we're going to be jumping into this Nitro. And I'm going to cover this up. I know this doesn't match. I'm gonna jump into Nuke and take a little bit of Nuke, lay that right over top, right where I put that blue at. Blend that out. After we cover that up, I'm going to be jumping into Cargo. Blend that out right here. Then we're going to jump into Peppermint and we're gonna lay that right here. I'm going to take this gold called Fortune and lay that right in the middle. I just want to take this Plouise pink and I just want to line my eye with it. So for under eye, I'm going to be jumping into the Plouise, the Rumor 5 base. And put a little bit right under my eye just like that, and then we just gonna blend that in really good. I like the way the top of this eye came out. Been feeling very retro lately. So we're gonna take that 213 brush and we're gonna jump into Mood and we're gonna just tap this right under just like this, very close. And we're going to tap into Soft Spot. That was that light blue. And we're going to blend that right out. Just like this, honey. I did it all up in there. I like this eye. And I'm going to jump into Fortune. And that was like that gold. Lay that right in my inner corner. Pow! Ooh. Ooh, it took me forever to do this eye. So now we're going to be jumping into lashes using the Balm extensions. This is going to be my first time using these. So we're going to be jumping into this little natural lash right here. And these are called Jordy. I'm going to jump on my lashes, do the other side of my eye, and then we're going to jump in with face. All right, so now we have the eyes down. I'm really feeling this look, y'all. See, I didn't know what I was doing, and look what I done pulled out. Okay, so we're going to be moisturizing this face with the Estee Lauder cream, honey. You already know. So my skin is still acting up because I don't know if you guys know, if this is your first time seeing me, but I had a couple of months ago something called DVT, and what it is basically like a blood clot in your vein. Everything is good, but I'm still on blood thinners every day, so my period been on for like over a week. Upset about it, okay? Going in with the Fenty Beauty. Already know this has been my shot. So because, you know, the blood thinners have me, you know, bleeding or whatever, having a period longer than I'm supposed to, my face just been acting crazy. But other than that, I'm doing really good. Peace of mind has been the real bag. You understand what I'm saying? I'm gonna be jumping into the NARS Long Radiant, having more routines and just putting myself first with a lot of stuff, you know? Basically staying out the way, you know what I'm saying? Like focusing on what really matters. And I feel like when you stay focused on what really matters, good things and happy things come into your mind instead of being negative, because you know it's easy to be negative instead of being positive. And right now I'm in a positive state of mind and I want to stay that way. Positivity is the bag. I ain't got time for extra shit. I don't be doing no gossiping. Like ain't nobody got time for none of that. If it ain't about building somebody up, oh, this is the deep cinnamon, you boos already know. If it's not about lifting somebody up or helping somebody, I don't want to talk about it. Even though I never worry about other people, I always stay true to myself, and I'm very hard on myself. I know that for a fact. But I just been really focused on me and what I got going on, and not really been caring about anybody else but myself. And I've been loving it. I'm so happy that you guys are able to see me grow in makeup. And if you are new here, make sure you do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? We are building this family, and a thorough family, a real family, and I'm just excited for all my new boos that come, you know? And I think that it's just been really doing me justice, you know what I'm saying? Lately, I've been doing a lot of like meditating with concentration. Sometimes, I don't know about y'all, but my mind can go somewhere else, honey. But yes, like I've been really, guys, on some real stuff. I've been on the journey of peacefulness, getting closer to God, having discernment. At the end of the day, right now, I just need God. I'm keeping it real with y'all of how I feel, because we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty in the color Honey. For a long time, all my life, I have been the nurturer. I have been the mother to my brother, the protector, you know, provider. I've always been the one that people leaned on. I am okay with that because I was put on this earth to be the one that everybody, you know what I mean, is there for. You know, it's okay to be that person. God put you as that person for a reason. You have to still, you know, be there for yourself. I'm gonna be jumping in real quick, y'all, into Cream Contouring by Fenty Beauty. We already know. I feel like that 2020 for me, especially me almost losing my life this year, is really an eye-opener of where I need to be and where my mind needs to be, because I always take care of people. I am the girl that serves. I think that right now it is time for me to serve myself. You know, I think we all have that time when it's like, okay, we gotta do what we gotta do for ourselves. I've really been focused. I've really been focused on what matters. I've really been doing more research about what I want to do to help improve myself and improve my mind, because we have past and we have things that haunt us, and we have things that we really, you know, don't really want to acknowledge, and a lot of that stuff be holding you back. I'm at a moment in my life like I'm not going to let stuff hold me back, and be grateful for where I'm at right now, and not worried about nobody, just worried about where I'm going and where God got me going in this journey, in my journey. Not worried about nobody else's journey but mine. And I feel us as human beings need to, you know, be more grateful and not so hard on ourselves, because I am very hard on myself. And I know a lot of creative people and people, you know, have a lot of responsibilities. We are very, very hard on ourselves, and it's time to not be so hard on yourself and just focus. Being patient, you know what I mean, at the same time, because I'm a very impatient person. God, no, I'll be arguing with him like, yo, I thought that was the one. Like, that was supposed to be it right there. You know, I'm not gonna stop trying, but I really thought that was gonna be the one. Okay, so now we're gonna just do some Mocha Mommy. We're gonna blush, because this is like giving me good blush vibes, and like brush like the inner part, like right here. I just been not just growing in makeup. It ain't been an easy ride. Nothing that's worth having is gonna be an easy ride, man. If it's worth having, that ride gonna be horrible, honey. That ride gonna have so many bumps in it, so many tunnels, but the ride is worth it. So I'm going to be jumping into highlight. So we're gonna jump into Gold Luxe. Y'all already know from the Stacey Marie palette or whatever. Ooh, baby, I like you like that. I like you like that. Highlight is like everything. All right, to line these lips, we're going to be jumping into my fave Morphe Brown, and this is the color Trendsetter. We're going to be jumping into the Crayon Case lip, and this is in the color Holy Grove, baby. And we're just gonna take that. So I really like that. That looks really, really pretty. So now I'm going to be spraying. Oh, shit. That was too close. Oh, God. Oh, man. That shit almost sprayed my eyebrows off. Right. So my boo, this is the final look. I really, really love this look. I love the way this look came out. And if you love the way this look came out, don't forget to smash that like button, and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you made it this far to the video, why haven't you subscribed yet? What you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, period, okay? And hit the notification bell button too, because I need you to be notified for my next upcoming videos, period. Thank you so, so much, guys, for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.